Hello friends and welcome back to the vlog. We are doing another Volcano Bay staycation today. We're staying at Cabana Bay for literally just one night because Tamia and I were here last weekend at Volcano Bay and we just happened to look at the price of the hotels and it was really cheap for this weekend. So we're splitting it amongst the three of us. It's literally $48 for one night between like every single person was $48. And yeah, I just went to check in. Our room is not quite ready yet, but they did give us like our little room key so that we can at least use the entrance to Volcano Bay. So we're gonna go spend the day there, and then once our room is ready, I guess we'll come back and check it out. But we had so much fun on this last year. We did it as like a little staycation for Tamia's birthday, and it just so happens to be her birthday was like 2 weeks ago, so we're kind of like also celebrating her birthday this time, and it's gonna be so much fun and I'm so excited. So stick around because we're doing a lot today. I will be filming a lot on my phone because I don't want to take the camera into Volcano Bay and get it all wet, so just I'm sorry if it has bad quality, but I just want to film everything for you guys. Okay, we decided we're gonna chill, grab a drink, read our bookies first. So we just grabbed the things that we needed, left the rest at the locker, and we're gonna go to our little secret spot to see if there's any chairs available there. It's kind of really busy today in comparison to when we usually come, so I hope there's no one sitting there still. We did also just grab a return time for Krakatau. It's at 70 minutes right now, so that's perfect. Gives us enough time to chill, and then we'll come back and ride it. I also don't know if I've ever shown our spot on the vlog, but basically next to this boat bar, the one in the back, keep going towards the volcano. There's some chairs way tucked back there that nobody ever goes to. There's also an entrance to the lazy river here. There's some slides back here too, and you can see that even this area is already pretty empty. But if you keep going, there's even more empty chairs that, again, like no one ever goes to. Like, look at this. The only downside is that there's no umbrellas over here, so you do kind of have to keep chasing the shadows. But it's still a pretty great spot. You got a great view of the volcano. First things first, we gotta get a drink. I did forget my Volcano Bay cup in my car, but I had already gone through security, so I wasn't about to go back. But we're getting a drink. Just kidding, they're not open yet, so we're gonna go get a little bit of food. I'm about to fire Tamia because we just walked by the stand. There's nothing, so we're going to the other part. She's claiming there's a different one. Do we trust this? I don't know. Back at the bar because they said that the empanadas aren't going to be ready until around 11:30 and this bar is open, so here we are. Our little drinks. Sorry. Cheers. Our 70 minutes for Krakatau is up. I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me because I put you guys in the case, but we're going to go drop some stuff up at the chairs and then ride that. That was my first time riding in the front, and oh my god, that was literally insane. The amount of water that just went straight into my mouth, crazy. Okay, we have a ton of food. We have barbecue pizza, pepperoni pizza, Hawaiian pizza, coxinha, and a paparina. So we're about to get stuffed. We've got drink number 2, got our book here. We're just chilling out by the volcano. I did mess up though because I was listening to this book on the way here, and I'm pretty sure I'm like 75% of the way through a chapter. So I'm gonna have to figure out like exactly where I left off. Right, we just got the text that our room is ready, so we're gonna finish up our drinks and then I think we're gonna head out. All right, just grabbed my bags out of the car. Now we're heading over to the room. They told us what building we were in this morning, but they didn't tell us where our room was because obviously they didn't know which one we would be in. So we're kind of just gonna walk aimlessly into the building and hope to find it.
Oh, 6518? 6516?
please ignore the look. But I think I mentioned this earlier that we're staying in a standard room. And if you go back and watch last year's video, we did a Volcano Bay view room. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of a difference because they're pretty similar, but this room is definitely smaller than the one we stayed in last year. So in case you guys were planning on coming and staying here, I just wanted to give you a little peek into the room situation. That way you guys can figure out what works best for you and your family. So we have the front door, and then you do have this kind of weird foyer area. And then as you walk down, obviously room is there. You have your big closet here with a safe, ironing board, some extra pillows here. And then if you turn around here, you have the bathroom situation. I do like that the sink is outside. It was the same in the room from last year, but I do like it that it's outside because someone could be taking a shower and doing all of that, and then other people can still be here getting ready. And then you do have just a blow dryer, some tissues, obviously all of the usual stuff that you get in a hotel bathroom. There are some drawers here if you are someone who likes to unpack and kind of just store everything away. And then as far as the bathroom goes, just a standard bathroom. Big tub here if you have little ones. And then they just have these little VO5 shampoo and conditioners. You do also get one very big mirror here outside of the bathroom door, so you can just check yourself out before you leave. And then heading on into the room, this is a connecting room, so I don't know if it's different if it's not a connecting room, but here is kind of just the pan of the space. We did two, I believe these are queen beds, could be full-size beds, someone please correct me on that. And then down here you have your mini fridge. Again, tons and tons of storage here. You have just a little coffee machine, TV, sitting area, which this is like where you see the biggest difference in the room size. If you guys go back and look at my video from last year, there was a lot more space between the sitting area and like where the beds were. So that's really where you're losing it. If you have a big family that likes to have a lot of room to move around, I would probably go for the Volcano Bay view. And then again, here just in the middle, some more storage down here. Got your phone to call the front desk. They have reading lights, super cute decor. And then obviously we don't have any sort of view today. It's just the parking garage and other hotels, but yeah, that's it. Tamia's out for the day. Okay, so the plan is to kind of just chill out for a bit, take a shower, take in the room a little bit, and then I think we might go downstairs and try to do bowling. You usually need a reservation for it. We tried to get a reservation an hour ago. There was only one available at 3:45, which we were not gonna make it to that one, but we're hoping that someone canceled. It lets you select to get notified if there's a reservation available, so we did that, and we're hoping someone cancels. If not, I think plan is to go over to CityWalk and just kind of get some dinner there. This is the outfit. It's not great, but I didn't do laundry, so we're working with what we had. We're gonna go to CityWalk now. We have made it to CityWalk. It is very busy here. There's a prom happening, there's Grad Bash, Grad Venture happening, but I think our plan is to go to Antojitos Locos, which, or that's not what it's called, Antojitos Mexican, whatever, something around that. We have a reservation technically for 9 o'clock. That was the only time we could get, but we're gonna see if they have anything, like any walk-up available, or if we can sit at the bar, because we are a little hungry and we've never tried them before, so I'm excited to try. This is right past the Epic Preview Center. It's called Antojitos Authentic Mexican Food. That is the full name. It's huge, you can't miss it. Soon, baby. Right, they were able to move up our reservation to 8:15, which is in about 30-ish minutes. So we'll probably just walk around and then come back. We're actually gonna go check out the Epic Preview Center because they have been bringing in some merch from the parks as team member previews have been happening. And I'm going very, very soon. And I wanna see if I can find like a cute t-shirt or anything. That way, you know, for the pics. I finally watched the movies and I love him. He is my new baby. I'm obsessed with him. The sheep. Her mug too. I actually haven't watched her movie yet. I'm so sorry. I will be watching it before I go, but her mug I also am in love with. Also, just imagine me walking around with this at Epic. Wait. Okay, I know this is a children's shirt, but hear me out. Larger size, baby tee. Been told toothless glows in the dark, but I kind of like hers more.
I like how hers is smaller.
Maybe yeah. The backpack?
Oh, no, but it doesn't fit anything.
That's fine. You can fit a lip gloss in there.
This is the tote bag.
A wallet.
Oh, that is so cute.
The tote bag
the
is
tail.
cute. Shout out to you, bestie. She's so cute. I'm obsessed with her. I will be watching this movie when I get home. Dude, I cannot wait to go see this place in person. Isle of Burke and Dark Universe, all the way back there, is what I'm most excited for. I do really like the headbands. My little ghost too is cute. The only thing is, are we really bringing the energy of headbands to Epic? I guess we are. I do kind of like the hats. No Frankenstein one too. I like the idea of the bucket hat. I just don't think my head is meant for a bucket hat. Yeah, like I think it's cute.
Hold it up in the front and then wait to put it down more.
Actually,
I just don't think my head.
it's blocking the design.
I don't think my head is meant for a bucket hat, and that's okay. But I do love it. I think it's really cute. The popcorn bucket. I don't even like popcorn buckets, but I love him.
First of all, his eyes glow in the dark.
Oh my God, his wings flap.
He's literally.
Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. Right, here is their drink menu. Literally ginormous. They have everything you could want. Mojitos, mules, tequila spirits, palomas, margaritas, literally everything. And then their food menu. They have tacos, fajitas, sopa. It's supposed to be authentic, so I guess we'll see how authentic it is. Okay. Chips and salsa.
I kind of like it.
They were so cute. They saw the tripod and instantly were like, performance time besties. And then they came out and were like, wait, you have a YouTube channel? Let me subscribe. I could cry. I did already spill something on my shirt. Look at this margarita. I like this size. Cheers, besties. Oh, that's good. Is that a watermelon? 10 out of 10. Oh my God, that looks amazing. Holy guacamole. I apologize for all the corny jokes. Danielle said it's amazing. It looks amazing. It just tastes fresh. I will say, it could use a little bit more salt, but it's still a really good one. Alright, here's my burrito. That actually looks really good. To me, I got birria tacos that will unfortunately be sent back because they put beans on hers and she's very much allergic to beans. And as much as I joke that I want to see her puff up like a puffer fish, I would rather not do it when I'm in charge of her. And then Danielle got fajitas. Please don't judge me for eating this burrito with a fork and knife, but it's literally drenched in queso on the top, so I will not be cooking this up. And then it came with just beans and guac on the side. That's pretty solid. I did the big one. Beautifully seasoned. I wouldn't say it tastes like an authentic Mexican burrito, but still a pretty good one. I would get it here. We're just gonna eat, and then I'll catch up with you guys after. Just left dinner. Overall thoughts. I think it's an 8 out of 10. I think if you're at CityWalk and you're looking for a place to eat, for sure would recommend. I would come back here. Is it the best Mexican restaurant you've ever been to? No, but it's pretty good. Pretty solid. I think now we're just gonna go over and get some voodoo donuts. I don't know if there'll be dessert or breakfast. I guess we'll see. But yeah, that's the plan. I don't know if you guys can see, but the voodoo donuts line is lining. She's a long one. So that's a definite no from us. I mean, I live here, so we can come back for voodoo donuts whenever. Danielle's the only one missing out. So sorry.
It's okay.
You guys didn't know they also have a gift shop in literally all of the hotels. So you don't want to buy stuff at the parks, they have it here. Good morning. We just went downstairs, grabbed some Starbucks, got some breakfast. Today is checkout day. We only did one night here. This time, plan for today, eat, change, go down to the pool, hang out until they kick us out essentially, which apparently is like 10 p.m. We're not actually staying that long, but yeah, that's all I got. That's the plan. Okay, I'm gonna try this apple croissant thing. It smells, oh, that smells amazing. It looks gorgeous. Got this little apple croissant from Starbucks. I've never tried it before. It looks beautiful though. Okay.
Does it have apple inside?
It's like apple pie filling on the inside. The only thing is I feel like there's too much croissant on the outside.
And not enough filling on the inside?
And not enough filling on the inside. Okay, this is our setup. We unfortunately got here too late to have an umbrella and it's directly in the sun, but that's okay. We'll just spend our whole day in the bar. Like, that works. Mia's gonna go check out to see if the pool is actually cold or not. We originally weren't planning to actually go in the water, but it is so hot, and because we have no shade at all, we're all sweating, so she's gonna dip a toe in and tell us. Oh,
The reaction.
she's going in. She's doing it.
No hesitation.
No hesitation at all. Oh, and she full dipped.
She is not cold. It's like cool, but like a pleasant cool.
Okay.
Because I literally just walked in, no problem. I just walked in.
So you're telling me if I go over there right now, I'm not gonna mind it?
No, you're gonna just be able to walk in and come back out.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. It was definitely colder than Tamia described, but it did its job. It did its job. I feel cool now. We'll do that like every 20 minutes. We came over to the bar. That looks amazing.
Right?
Fully changed my mind and got not a frozen drink, but it sounded really good actually. First of all, look how cutie our drinks look, and all of us accidentally matched ourselves. So Danielle has the green, Tamia with her yellow hat and her yellow drink, and then I have my pink hat. I would turn the camera around, but I'm too lazy. But it's so perfect.
Cheers.
That's so good.
Yeah.
This tastes like summer. We came inside and we ordered lunch from JoJo's ShakeBAR, which I've posted about a couple times. 10 out of 10 would recommend. They're only 15 minutes away from here, and look how cute the bag is that I came in. I literally ordered this through Uber and it still came like this. Oh my god, I love them. Right, here's the spread. We got the buffalo chicken mac and cheese. This is our top get every single time, no matter what you do. And then in here, there's a Charleston wrap, I think, and then some onion rings. Then it came with like honey mustard and queso, I think. I don't really know what that is. Have you ever had their onion rings here?
I'm happy.
You know how it is.
Pack the lactate for all this cheese. I forgot to take it last night. It's been a rough morning. Look at how gorgeous this bite of mac and cheese is. All the cheese. It's amazing every single time. Here's the inside of what that wrap looks like. I don't even remember what was in here. I think
Honey mustard,
chicken, lettuce,
tomato.
stuff. There's cucumbers in there, and I really like that.
Yeah. This is a good like poolside.
This is a good poolside wrap.
Well, that is going to be it for our Cabana Bay staycation. We have eaten, we are tired, and I am ready to go home and take my post-pool nap. If you know, you know. Same as a post-beach nap. But I did mess up, unfortunately, because I was reading my book while we were at the pool and like while we were waiting for our food. And unfortunately for me, I did not finish at the end of a chapter. And I have the audiobook to listen to on my drive home. And right now it says it's going to take me about like 30-ish minutes to get home because of traffic. And I would like to listen to this book. But unfortunately, I am going to have to figure out exactly where I was. But that's okay. My problems. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed this far into the video, please like, comment, subscribe, do all the things, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.